Right, here we are in this newly renovated one bedroom out here in Morningside Heights in this elevator laundry building. I haven't seen this unit myself, but I've heard a lot of good things about it. It's supposed to be a great renovation, one of their newer renovations, so I'm curious to check it out myself. We've got nice tall closets, super new appliances. I mean, look at this freaking microwave. It looks, you know, for the future or something. But anyways, this is definitely a new renovation, nice counters as well. Let's go take a look at the in-suites bathroom as well as room. I mean, it's very solid. This is the third floor. You're sitting in the back, so that's very nice. Sure, you're not gonna have